grocery store, any part of the day, we got to get some coffee. We got to get a pick-me-up because I am not going to work like this. 7:41 now. I got to be at work at 8 o'clock, so grab something quick. It's not that bad, so. Hi, how are you? So it's 7:44 now. I got to get to work by 8 o'clock. Got about 16 minutes to do it. But I'm not leaving without my drink. Not gonna happen. Alright, so. Okay, so we finally escaped. So now we're on the run this morning, but beautiful overcast day in Los Angeles. Gotta love it. But hey, the day's looking up. A lot more to come. Let's do it. Alright, so like real talk for a second. I love Starbucks. I love their drinks. I think they're amazing. But let me just tell you about those lines. Let me just tell you about waiting in those lines. You get in, and you could be luck of the draw. Honestly, I was pretty lucky. As someone who's worked for Starbucks, I know that they're hell. They're a pain in the ass. But at the same time, it's like, come on, people. They're all just standing around like zombies doing absolutely nothing. They're just standing in your way. So it's like, I understand where they're coming from, but at the same time, it's like, come on now. There's so much more to do in life. Oh, well, we finally made it to work, so that's the, I guess, the up and up. So the day begins. All right, so something I was thinking about. So I got my drink this morning, and I was thinking, I was sitting in line, a lot of people were ordering drinks. One of the main things that people kept saying was, espresso. Espresso. I need an espresso. It's espresso. It's not espresso. It's not espresso or ospresso. It's not a bus. You can't drink a bus. It's not espresso. It's espresso. Alright, so we're gonna go to the bank. Fun bit for me is the fact that they turned off my credit card without even me knowing it. So we're gonna do that. It's also raining in LA right now. So my guess it's gonna take what should be about a 5-minute car ride. Probably about 25 minutes. I was going about 60 about not even a mile ago. Now we're all doing this. It's 1:53. Traffic's not supposed to get bad until about 3:30. So, yep. Los Angeles and rain don't mix well. Alright, so we made it. Gonna go see what the problem is and hopefully get a new card. So that was more of a bummer than what I thought it was gonna be. So keep your head up, positive day. Just a little setback in the road. I was able to get some cash out though, so I'm not sure where I should go for lunch. That sounds good. You know, I'm not really... don't really know what to buy. Like, my stomach's feeling tacos, but I'm feeling nachos too. Can I get 3 Doritos Locos tacos, the nacho?
How many?
3.
Regular or supreme?
Regular.
Okay.
And then can I also get the, nacho supreme as well?
Okay.
And can I get an extra large Pepsi
Okay.
and 2 soft shell tacos? Thank you so much. And, well, can you get in there? All right. Thank you. Bingo. Lunchtime. All right, so a little reprieve before we start the next shift. We have a few hours, so thought I'd talk to you about a little bit why I'm doing this and kind of my whole deal for it. So this whole thing kind of started out with me watching a lot of vlogs and kind of falling in love with a few people, and seeing how those ideas kind of evolved, and just kind of slept on it for about a week or two, trying to see what I could do. I mean, right now I'm filming on a phone, which is pretty good quality. I mean, obviously I would love to be filming on something a little bit better, but who knows. But I found it interesting that you get a little daily glimpse into people's lives. You get a daily glimpse into people's worlds. And I thought, why don't I just throw my world out there and see if anyone likes it, or, you know, if anyone wants to come along for the ride. I find it to be an interesting experience. As someone that loves the idea of creation and creating things and having their own different ideas that are brought into the world. I love challenges. I love to take a creation or take an idea and make it into a creation. So this is just kind of something that I'm trying to do right now to have fun with and try to create something. Go, that would be pretty cool to kind of put my own life out there, to kind of do things and create things and give a story about what I'm doing throughout the day. So that's why I'm kind of doing it. It has something to bring. Each day has something positive to prove and sometimes some negative, but the positive always outweighs the negative. So it's raining. California doesn't get rain that much, so, you know, it's just one of those things. Just one of those things where I want to see where this goes. And I want to see how creative things get, and I want to see how much fun we have. So, let's see here. I have about 3 hours and... 3 hours and about 12 minutes until I go back to work. So we're just going to relax for a bit. I'm going to eat. I'm going to do some things, going to do some paperwork, and we're going to be all good. All right, so that was a lot of fun. Got a little rest and relaxation, starting to update the MacBook as well. Apparently I haven't used that in a few years. So we're just going to update that, and then hopefully this vlog should be out tomorrow morning. That's the goal. So gonna go fill up, then we're gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna go to work. So, work part 2. Hey, take care. You too, take care. Have a great weekend. So we're finally done leaving work. Now it's time to go edit this, and should be up very soon. So productive day, great first day of vlogging. Who knows? It's pretty fun. All right, let's get home.